Welcome back to my morning report analysis videos on Monday 19th of December with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at dollar yen. The sort of run higher that took dollar yen to 118.65 on Thursday has just rolled over slightly in the last couple of days. There's nothing too significant yet on the momentum indicators, but a slight sort of drop on the RSI. It's not great, but generally you tend to see a sort of a couple of days worth of corrective move before this market starts to find support again, and that sort of has dragged dollar yen from 118.65 to, well, 116.95, so not a million miles off 200 ticks of correction. And that seems to be sort of an amount of correction that dollar yen tends to find in this situation, sort of around about 200 ticks, and then finds support and then starts going higher again. So the fact that we've started to find a bit of a low at 116.95, if that sort of now holds on and can develop, it'll be interesting to see if the bulls come back in. Now you've got this little bit of overhead resistance now, arguably around that sort of 1760 area. So these lows, 17 sort of 40 to 1760. So if you can sort of, if dollar yen starts to break back above those levels, above 1760, I think we could start to see the bulls sort of regaining control again. Now you've got the RSI on the hourly chart, which is now back to that 30 point again, isn't it? Where we've seen the little corrective moves finding support, and that seems to be used recently as a buying opportunity. Stochastics haven't turned higher from buy signal, similar to what we saw on the 12th. MACD lines, are they going to turn up now? So I mean, again, that move similar to this one we saw on the 1st and 2nd of December, so which was the last time we really got a bit of a correction of around about, again, 200 ticks. So it's sort of getting back into the realms of buying opportunity level. I think, generally speaking, the little breakout levels have tended to be supportive, so 116.12. So there is still room possibly for a 116.12, which is another, well, from here, 130 ticks from this bounce level. So I think that what we're looking out for really is this support to probably hold, and this be used as a little buying opportunity, because I think that the corrective moves have tended to be seen as that. There's no real suggestion on any of the charts that would think that there's going to be an imminent sharp correction that really starts to develop, but I would still be expecting further gains, and I still am expecting a retest that 118.65 level, and further gains towards 120 in the coming days. So I wish you good luck in your trading on dollar yen, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.